Good morning. I am super tired. I had to wake up early to get to work early. But we are testing Diet Coke today. I've never drank Diet Coke and I definitely don't like diet sodas, but everyone keeps asking me to test Diet Coke, so that's what we're going to do today. It's not bad. Quick thought on me drinking that. Like 20 minutes after I drank that, it made me feel not great. I don't know if that's just because, I needed more caffeine in the morning or more fats or something, but it made me not feel good. I still kind of don't feel good after that. So let's test our blood. Hopefully it didn't knock us out of ketosis just like that, because usually when I have this feeling, that's the kind of things that happen, getting knocked out of ketosis. Let's test the blood. It's been 30 minutes. Stayed at the same in ketones. 88, sorry guys. Just updating you guys on the situation. So we're doing some stuff at work and we're having some issues, so I'm kind of in and out of being able to test it, and I'm trying to stay accurate on the time, but sometimes that's not an option. As for right now, everything's looking good. After 1 hour, we'll see the final conclusion, but as of right now, I'm thinking it's keto friendly. Finally get to eat. I am starving. Since we tested Diet Coke this morning, I thought, why not test something ignorant as well that I actually like. I don't suggest this, I'm just going to be honest with you, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat and we'll test the blood, because why not? We'll just see what it does to us, see how bad it was for us, because if it's substantially bad for us, then you should definitely not do it. But again, I'm going to offset it with a fat drink, but I'm going to show you what I'm eating. We're going to do blood testing, okay? This is 10 strips from Zaxby's. I'm also going to have this Keto Coffee, which is 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and a teaspoon of stevia. Obviously, it's 6 to 8 ounces of coffee as well. There's not enough fat in this chicken to make it keto friendly, and since I drank that Diet Coke this morning, I definitely need some fat in me, and this should do the trick. So hopefully it will offset the badness in this. Of course, this has been deep fried in like vegetable oil or peanut oil, some oil that I'm sure is not the best for you. So let's test our blood. Okay, so I just tested my blood. I realized I didn't have the camera rolling, but it was 86 for my blood glucose. 1.6. So we've been losing ketones since we started this morning, but we haven't had any fat, so that makes sense, right?
I've decided to only eat 5 of these because 10 is just too much. I just can't do it. This does not taste great with this. Just saying. I am going to drink that, though.
Definitely bumped my blood glucose up. Didn't mess with my ketones too much. Quick note for you, I 100% do not suggest drinking Diet Coke and having like Zaxby's chicken strips and all that. It's simply for testing. I'm kind of in a deep state of ketosis, like it's like 2.1 or whatever when we started this morning, so I can afford to do that. Where if you were like hanging on by just a thread, like say you were only like 0.5 and you didn't even know it, that's definitely not going to be good for you, I have a feeling. But again, drink keto coffee, drink your fats, it definitely pays off.
Around the 2-hour mark now.
Still kind of hot. Awesome. All right, it has only went up, which is a good thing. Snack time. All right, we're gonna have some salmon. We're gonna bake this at 375 for about 20 minutes. We're gonna do some pink Himalayan salt. A little bit liberal on that because it takes a little bit of that fish taste out of there. Some pepper. This pepper's good on everything. We're gonna do a little bit of onion powder. Not too much. Gonna do some garlic powder. A little heavier on that. And I'm gonna try something different this time. I'm gonna put some cilantro leaves on it. Should work. Let's throw this baby in there. So let's go ahead, cook that for 20 minutes. I'm gonna cut up a bunch of greens and stuff and have a really nice salad with it. Whenever I'm cooking dinner and I'm starving, I'll usually have a couple pickles just for like snack. Keeps me from eating anything dumb, you know? Plus pickles are wonderful. Yes.
He was gonna take a nap. He ended up not taking a nap, and Avery did. Cucumber?
Really get any better than this? So 4.5 ounces of salmon. I didn't measure out any of the greens there, so we've got the spring mix, we've got celery, we've got cucumbers, broccoli, cherry tomatoes, some cheese, ranch, bacon bits, all the goods. Get your micronutrition in, and I'm going to have this keto meltdown with this meal because I'm a little bit tired and I gotta get some stuff done. Time for our nightcap. Gonna make us some keto hot chocolate. So again, we got hot water, so it's about 5-6 ounces. This is a little over a tablespoon. Throw that right in there and let that melt. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon, so that's a half a teaspoon right there. We're gonna do another half a teaspoon. Like you could probably do less of that and it'd probably be all right. Then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of stevia. All right. It's probably about, it might be 2 tablespoons. And here's the difference tonight. Okay, so you can get all kinds of these things at Walmart. I'm not saying you should use these or anything. Obviously, it's got some sweeteners in it and stuff, but we're just gonna put a little bit in here. Obviously, you need to be getting the sugar-free kind. So I'm gonna show you how much I'm gonna put in here. Not much at all. Just give it a little bit of extra kick. So I'm gonna blend that up for sure, and then we'll add in our heavy whipping cream. All right, we're all blended up. And we're gonna do about, I don't know, 2 tablespoons. Probably that much. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's have a taste test real quick. Kids turned the TV back on, so sorry for the background noise. Again, just keep playing with it. Try to figure out what works for you. Something you don't like or do like. I've never put this stuff in there. That little, what is that from? Torani? I don't know. Taste test. That's good. That's really good. Like, that's probably the best one I've made out of the whole kit and caboodle. Anyway, so today we tested out the Diet Coke. It was keto friendly. the Zaxby's chicken strips with the buffalo sauce and ranch didn't affect me too bad. Of course, I was pretty deep in ketosis, and I don't mean like deep, so I was only like, around 1.5, 2.1. I'm just saying, if you're like around 0.6 or 0.5 or something like that, there's a good chance that that may knock you out because you're already low. My body had plenty of ketones to be running on, so any carbs that were in that, Anyway, I don't want to get super into that because I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Thing to know the most about, though, is knowing what you should and shouldn't eat. Sometimes it's obvious, sometimes it's not. And fast food, let's just be honest, it's not the best for you. Like, yeah, Zaxby's chicken strips are probably the best out of all the options when it comes to chicken strips in different places. But are they the best for you? Because you don't know what's all in them. You don't know what kind of breading they used. There's many things that can go into factors, and specifically oils, and is that good for you? Every once in a while, it's not bad for you. But eating out all the time, that's not good in any way. No matter what diet you're on, I don't care what diet you're on, eating out all the time is not the best thing. So just keep that in mind. Have you a Diet Coke every once in a while, whatever, even have cheat meals. Maybe you really like bananas, have a banana every once in a while, but you got to stay strict to something. There's got to be a base to your diet. There's got to be something that holds you to that, because again, what's your goals? You're only going to get those goals that are realistic, that you're going to actually try, because if you're not trying, why are you wasting your time? Why not just eat pizza every day? Because I love me some pizza, some tacos. I can name 50 things that I would love to be eating right now. Matter of fact, I think I have a Klondike bar in the freezer right now. I smash that right now. But anyway, you seen how much salad I ate tonight? That's quite a bit. After I ate it, I was like, gosh, that was kind of a lot. But it's okay. It was my macros, my micronutrition, and I'm going to finish it up with a keto drink. Your keto diet doesn't matter near as much whenever you're starting your day with fat and ending it with fat. And that's kind of one of the things that I was talking to Amanda about, that I didn't really like about testing stuff, because I don't get to do the ketogenic diet the way I want to do it. And, that 2-hour grace period that I've drank something to test it, not only is it keto friendly, I don't know, but at the same time, it's one of those deals that I'm used to drinking like 2 or 3 bottles of water by 9:30. So at that point, I'm just dying of thirst. I want to drink so bad, but I just want these tests to be like as kosher as possible, that way. I don't know how to go about it the right way or the wrong way, because this is just a test. Everything's a test. So again, I'll try to do the test every other day, but I know this is how to do the ketogenic diet, and I don't want people to get the wrong idea that I get it, I'm testing, but I want to test for you guys because it's fun for me too, because I like to know what I can and can't have. But doing the ketogenic diet the right way, being strict, is what it's all about. Just be strict, it will come back to you. Everything will start working out for you. And then once you become fat adapted, that's when the real magic happens, because then you could have a slice of pizza and it doesn't even matter, because your body wants to use ketones so much that it doesn't care about them carbs. It just flushes them. I'm saying, can you eat pizza every single day? No, but the cheat meals don't matter anymore once you're fat adapted. That takes 6 to 8 weeks, and I'm not saying 6 to 8 weeks with some cheat meals in between there. I'm saying 6 to 8 weeks doing it right. But I don't want to keep rambling, because I always have some kind of knowledge to give to you guys, some kind of motivation. I hope you're doing this for the right reasons. I hope you're watching these videos and getting something from them. If you're not, I'm sorry. Just tell me in the comments. Tell me what you want to know more about. Tell me what you want to test. I don't know. Tell me. Tomorrow we are going to make some fat bombs, and they're going to be awesome. I did not get this recipe from Pinterest. I didn't do anything. I looked at macros. I looked at what I wanted those fat bombs to be, how I want them to taste, and it worked out perfect. Only thing we got to find is our molds, because again, our freaking garage is just looks like somebody just packed up their whole house and threw it in there. That's what we did. Yeah. So I don't know what those are, so we may have to go to Walmart and buy some, but whatever. Tomorrow will be a full day of straight up keto. No corners, none of that kind of stuff. It's going to be a keto day tomorrow. It's going to be a great day. Can't wait to see you then. So tune in tomorrow and keep it keto. What's even going on in here?
Can I do it to you? You can try.
Get a gym membership.